The Fort Farm Challenge takes place next Saturday out here at Busy Barns Adventure Farm. And here to tell us a little bit more about it, we have Mariah Hadler from Busy Barns. And also we have Lisa from Two Rivers and telling us a little bit about the sponsorship and who this all benefits. But first, let's start with Mariah. Tell us what this event is all about.
Well, good morning, Amy. We're excited to have you guys here. So the event is a fundraiser. It's a fundraising event. It's our second annual here at the farm. And it's put on by 3 businesses or presented by 3 businesses, and it's an event for families and kids and adults to get physical on the farm and then also have some fun at night. And so we're starting with a family farmathlon where kids and adults will do a bike, a run, and an obstacle course around the farm. Then in the afternoon we have an ultimate team challenge where we have teams of 5 that will compete in farm obstacles like pulling a tractor and rolling around bale,
and we're
tossing eggs. You got it. And then at night we're so excited, we're going to have a barn dance with a live country music band from Madison coming out called Tracks Out of Town, and we have lots of fun events going on at night with our sponsors.
So a big day from start to finish out here at the farm. Now Lisa, tell us a little bit about who this benefits.
It will benefit 4-H clubs in our communities, also FFA clubs, and then an Eat Here, Eat Well, which is a farm to school program in Jefferson County, so all different schools in the area, and then also Homerson Pond, which is right off of the Rock River, and it's a big trail system that they're trying to put together over there.
Wonderful. Now we're going to try, my good buddy Brian Dukes volunteered to come with me, and Brian and I are going to try some of the events from the farm obstacle course.
You guys can do it.
All right.
It'll be fun.
Mark, get set, go.
Whoa!
All right, the first obstacle is fence post pounding.
Yeah.
All right, Brian.
Move your hands down. I'm afraid I'm going to hurt you here, Amy.
Okay. My weather hand. Oh. Okay. Can we get it? Woo! Yes. All right, farmer high five. Challenge number 2, Brian.
Let's go.
Pull me on this tractor. It's a tractor pull. Ready, set, go!
This is a lot harder than I anticipated.
You're doing it! Way to go, Brian!
Come on!
Way to go!
We're gaining speed, Amy.
Listen up.
We're gaining speed.
Okay, here's the next challenge.
Okay.
Is the feed sack throw. I'm going to show you how.
I hear you have quite the arm.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I think it's going to take, because this is.
I'll get out of your way.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yes.
1, 3.
All right, Brian wins. This is the final challenge.
Okay.
It's going down the slide.
You got it?
Ready? You want me to go first? I'll
Absolutely.
show you the way. Okay.
That's a little quicker than I imagined.
Yeah, no kidding.
Oh my gosh. It's a little bit of a thump.
I should say Brian went for me. So it was going to be me that would be pulling the tractor. Brian, thank you so much
because Michael
for
hasn't
doing
been feeling great. And Brian, yes, we had such a good time.
He was a great sport.
And we want to thank Mariah and Paul for having us out to Busy Barns Adventure Farms. Once again, the big event is occurring next Saturday, and you can register online. We provided a link for that on our web channel, NBC 15. And we did even more challenges that you didn't even see. I caught a lot of eggs in the egg toss one-handed. I just want to say that.
Well, tell me this, because I saw Brian show up to the station yesterday before you all left, and he wasn't wearing overalls and a cowboy hat.
Okay, a little secret. Mariah loaned Brian her overalls, and so and then Paul loaned him a hat so he could be officially farm ready, and he was.
Well, I'm glad that he took my place in that whole shoot yesterday, but they were both great sports. It was a lot of fun there, it looks like.
We had a great time.
All right, well, we'll be right back.